Hey there guys, how's it going? This is John Matthew and you're watching CineManiacs 24/7, a channel dedicated to movies, music, physical media, books, video games and also pop culture. Yes, my channel is currently at a very great streak now with a lot of subscribers and watch time coming in. A lot of people are watching my videos. I'm so thankful for you people. So, obliged to serve you people in the best way possible. Hope you like my videos and watch them all the time and keep giving me the same amount of love and affection as you're giving. Today I am going to review the DVD for Toy Story 2, which is one of the best Disney movies of all times in my opinion, and also one of the best films in the entire Toy Story trilogy. Before we proceed into the DVD review, I would request you guys to please, please subscribe to my channel as it helps me gain and grow a lot more, and it also gives me a lot of confidence to make new reviews for you people. Anyway, without any further delays guys, let's begin today's video. So here guys, you see this is the front of the DVD. Looks absolutely phenomenal and brilliant. It has the Buzz Lightyear face on it. The Buzz Lightyear face DVD was basically there on Toy Story 3 in the UK and the Australia versions, but here it's the Indian version that has the Buzz Lightyear face on it. And here's the white color here. In the UK versions you had Jessie and the blue DVD here, and Toy Story the logo was down here somewhere I guess. This is the front, of course, a very brilliant design cover and absolutely cool to look at. I remember this is the first Toy Story DVD that I ever saw in my entire life. I just saw this DVD 4 to 5 years back at the local mall before that particular section of the store shut down. They actually, completely replaced, or let's say completely gave away physical media altogether. There were a lot of Disney DVDs floating around, there were Jurassic Park DVDs, a lot of other films were floating around as well. I unfortunately couldn't buy any of them, and I mean it, any of them. This is the DVD box anyway, the front side. I love this anyway. The most amazing disc in my entire collection. And here is the rear. The rear cover, I don't believe you can see it. Let me enlarge the image for you. Yeah, this is how the summary has been written for this film. Absolutely not trying to spoil the entire film. The special features have been added here for more and more content. The cast here has been added, the toy cast. I actually have a wallpaper of this currently on my computer system and I put it sometimes to, remind myself of Toy Story 2. Okay, these are the other regions that the DVD is offered in. Regions 2, 4 and 5, multi-region, brilliant enough. The aspect ratio, the time, the languages, the subtitles, the presentation size and stuff like that. Here you have the price and who has made it, who has manufactured and marketed it and stuff like that. This is the rear of the DVD, as you can just see now. The rear looks like this, and this is the front. Let's open the DVD and show it to you. Yeah, managed to do it nicely enough. I love the push mechanism on this one. Opens the DVD very quickly, but again, very plain and boring design of the DVD cover as well. There's nothing aesthetic about this. It just looks like a normal disc to me. Not exactly something expected out of Pixar, of course. Anyway, it's their wish. They make their movies like this. Anyway, this is the DVD inside and the box here. I shut this down. And right now, let's talk about this DVD and all its features inside. Oops, guys, there was a small error here. The DVD actually fell down. Absolutely sorry. Let's come back to the video anyway. There'll not be any other mistake like this next time. This DVD basically, in terms of picture quality and aspect ratio, is fine. Does most of the job nicely. It reminds me of the Toy Story 2 film that I watched on Disney Channel a few years back before buying the DVD, of course. It has this strange, aesthetic appeal to it that actually draws more and more, of course, in my mind. This is the particular movie, or let's say most of the old Disney movies have this strange aesthetic appeal that has not been given away by the 4K and the Blu-ray releases. Something that I don't understand about these 4K and Blu-ray releases is that though they have a very superior picture quality, there's no question about it, but it's just that they don't really try to, keep the aesthetic, or let's say the retro quality or retro, let's say, presentation of the film. This is what the movie manages to do nicely here. The DVD menu is very attractive, gets the job done mostly. The picture, of course, at places is a quite lot pixelated. That's the reason why you would need an absolutely upscaling player. Shit, here we go again. Sorry guys, so sorry. I'll place it here in a better way. Yeah, I'm so sorry guys, it's falling so many times. This is the DVD anyway, as I was saying. The image in most of the places works fine, barring a few places here and there where the image is absolutely pixelated, but it still gets the job done anyway. It kind of looks okay. For this, you would need an upscaling DVD player to convert the image into 1080p quality so that it looks absolutely good and very very watchable and eye candy in my opinion. Special features work fine. The menu is absolutely cool. Subtitles offered are cool. Some of the color restorations look very, very accurate, very, very reminiscent of the old quality of Toy Story films, of course. Because whenever I look at any retro film, I always expect to look at it in the original quality that it was actually made in. That gives it a strange retro aesthetic. That retro aesthetic is something that I like to watch very well. When it comes to watching it on Blu-ray and 4K, I sometimes feel they actually give away with that retro kind of restoration. But again, people who are video files or quality enthusiasts, you can go and watch a better version of this movie on Blu-ray and 4K, no problems. I'm just putting my views here. I have complete respect for the 4K and Blu-ray. In fact, today if you're looking for finer picture quality than the DVD options, shit, once again, please bear with me guys, please bear with me. Today if you're actually looking for better DVD options, in my opinion, you can go and check out other DVDs of the same kind. And if you are a quality enthusiast or a video enthusiast, you can look at the Blu-ray and the 4K, which has fantastic restoration in my opinion, fantastic restoration. Of course, the DVD is a little behind, but it still is most of the times okay. In my opinion, this DVD is a good one, you can watch it. It is exactly above good. It has crossed the middle threshold and it is almost close to being great. But sometimes the DVD falters at places. That's the reason why I cannot say it's a very very close to great DVD, but it is reasonably close enough. This was my review of Toy Story 2. I hope you liked the DVD of this. I'll put the links down in the description below. You can buy them, check them out. This is the video for today. The next video that I'll be getting you is, of course, for Toy Story 3, which is the sequel to the film. And with that, I guess the Disney DVD review series for now will come to an end, when I'll buy more Disney movies, particularly Cars, Cars 2, Wall-E and Up, and even Ratatouille. I'll definitely review them as well. This is the video for today, guys. Stay safe, take care, please keep buying physical media, watch your favorite movies, and we'll see you some other time. Godspeed.